In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your CVS Workday account online. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the CVS Health Careers website. This is the main page where CVS provides access to job search tools and account-related options. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, especially if you reached it through a search engine. From the home page, look for the section labeled Job Search Support. This area is designed to help users with career account access and job application assistance. Click on Job Search Support to move forward. If the page has a lot of links or information, scroll carefully and watch for that exact label so you don't end up in the wrong section. After that, look for the option that says something like Already registered? Log in here. This is the link you'll use if you already created an account previously. Click that login link to open the sign-in page. Be sure you choose the login option rather than sign up, since signing up is only for brand new users. Once you're on the login page, enter your email address in the email field. Make sure you type the same email address you used when you first registered for your CVS account. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving on, because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in successfully. Next, type your password into the password field. As you enter it, pay attention to capitalization, numbers, and special characters if your password includes them. Passwords are case sensitive, so accuracy matters here. If you're on a personal device, you may choose to save your login details in your browser, but avoid doing that on public or shared computers for security reasons. When both fields are filled in, click the Login button. This will submit your credentials and take you into your account if everything was entered correctly. If the login doesn't work on the first try, recheck your email and password for mistakes and try again carefully. And that's all it takes to log into your CVS Workday account online. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to access your account quickly and smoothly.